Supreme language of God, beings with adamantium rods, chanting the goddess's mantras without a fraction of pause. Bask me in awe telepathically, no master facades. La lengua suprema de Diosa es su amor para todas cosas. Flora y fauna, gorgeous poems flourish like domes, borderless like Moorish tones that nourish roses, blacker than holes, attracting souls and collapsing those till they actively froze from massive cold like attracting foes. I'll laugh as this math is spoken. If wrath is the path you chose, it actually goes below. You should know this. Love is above like a golden lotus, though it grows in the mud, its soul is focused. There is no such notion as hopelessness, it's bogus. Grow some iboga and taste it, you'll know that we're all totally faceless, olden and ageless like these scrolls and pages. We're floating in spaceships, roaming in space, atoning with grace in all the skin tones you can face. Don't follow your senses, swallow pretenses like hollowed senses. Sorrow's immensity and horrors tempt you. I'm a warden in a pencil forest. My pen's are wards against scores of tense zombies. I'm mentally meant to them till the gong speaks, and they're essentially entities calm and peaceful like they were meant to be. Seventh density born speeches centering all creatures, elemental libations, transcendental vibrations from sky patrons, wide awakened in this dry oasis. Why would I slake my thirst when the sacred earth isn't my place of birth? I quaff it with the goddess's nectar like Thoth's lectures. I walk with lost specters, Martians, mesmers, and gods of death. I'm rotting flesh, but my molecules author breaths that waft incense, blotting the stench. I cough them tensely, gothic MC, the starkest century. Yet I talk and mentor with odd inventions. Since the goddess blessed me, a lot is testing me, allotted destiny. Professed in these etchings, I profess to thee to guard you from wretched presences. Death is prescience, breath is precious, beyond combined elements extracted from songs rhymed with eloquence. There's a lot wrong with dying celibate or eyeing melanin and slyly yelling debasing statements. Face it, we're all encased in a matrix. P-stars emanate till you break it. Erase all the hatred from naysayers. Play prayers from clay paintings and stray papers. Be watchful of great races and their data. They blot your gray matter in a tasteless and odorless fashion. Though fashion, odors, and tastes are made lavish for you to bathe in, you crave them like the blades slaying the sacred flesh of your ancient protectors. Say you've a death wish, cause that is what appears to be. I'm the spear that frees you. I breathe troops that seize you, freeze troops that bleed you till I still them and they're reborn. Be still and breathe calmly in a better fashion. A stretch of laughter into the infinite forever vastness. C'est le langage suprême de Dieu. Faut que tu t'engages pour que tu l'apprennes mieux. À tous les grands sages qui règnent dans les cieux et leurs avatars sur terre, il faut y croire pour le faire. Croix de bras ou croix de fer, moi je crois pas à la guerre.
Perhaps there's an unfortunate rumor going around that the scientific worldview and the spiritual worldview have to be at loggerheads. I have not found that to be true in my own life. In fact, I can identify no conflict between what I know as a scientist, including all the details of our own DNA sequence, and what I know about God who created the universe, who put all of these opportunities in place and had a plan.
So actually the language of God has all the things you've been talking about, but I think it's got quite a lot of science as well, hasn't it? As well as the side of religious faith.
Yeah, the language of God is a mix of an explanation of what science is teaching us about life, as well as about the history of the universe, wonderful things, many of which are fairly recently revealed, but also detailing my own personal spiritual journey, and then explaining how these things can all be harmonized in a way that I find enormously rewarding, satisfying, comforting, and yet which, especially in the current time where we have so many atheist manifestos on the one hand and fundamentalist Bible beating on the other, it would be hard for some people to believe that you could still find harmony. And that's quite a milestone for humanity, having that information in front of us to begin to understand how life works.
Dwelling inside medieval times, alleged witches, torturous confessions, under so-called holy man's blessings. Full cups can't learn new lessons. Mosque churches, Satan's